Hi everyone, my name is Kaushal. Now come to the question number 24. How do you find the length of the list? Of course, there is the built-in function named the length. It will return the number of elements. So this function runs on any collections like list, tuple, string, dictionary and sets, and it runs on O1 time because Python stores the length internally rather than counting on each time. So, with the help of building function length, it will provide the number of element present inside that particular collections like list, tuple or this one, and it will store internally rather than counting the element again and again. Now, see the example of length. Suppose there is a list here. Num is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we want to print the length of num. It will return the 4, and we can use the string also. Suppose we want to print the length of number, what it will return? It will return because there is 6 character in for the strings. In the same manner, if we find out the length of any tuple, so tuple example is 1, 2 and 3, so it will return the 3. And suppose if you want to print the length of dictionary, so how do we define the dictionary? Key and value pair A and 1 and B or 2. So what it will return? Because there are 2 key value, it returns the 2. Now how to print the set element, set length? Print of length of set 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So what it will returns? Any guesses? It will returns the 4, not the 8, because the duplication of 4 has been removed. So it will returns the 1 second. Print the what happens? Print of length. Oh, sorry, set nahi hota hai. You can define a set in this way. Now it will returns the 4. Let's see here. It will returns the 4 because there are the only 4 unique element. Other one are the duplicate. So first the set, remove all the duplicate, after then length function be applied. So that's why this returns the 4. And we can also use the length function for writing some logic. Suppose if some data is 0, So it will print something. If it is its length does not is greater than 0, then provide some another logic. So we can use the len function to write the if else if else or writing some logic. Now again one more example. There is a little bit confusion. Suppose length of nested, suppose this is a nested, what it will return? Any guesses? It will return 3, 2, 1. I think it will return a 2 because what happens? One second. So it will return to 2 because there is the 2 element, not the 3 element, because one is the list of 2 element and second one is the list of 1 elements. So len count does not count the nested list recursively. It will consider the each element as separately, maybe of nested list, maybe of the any single list. So it will returns the 2, not returns the 3. So this is about the length function of the any collections. So that's it for this video. Hope you people like it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Keep learning, keep smiling. Be always happy. Thank you.